welcome back to my channel for another day of Vlogmas. My name is Yamel and today I am going to decorate a Christmas basket with you guys. So I thought it would be fun to decorate a Christmas basket because they're just fun ways to give gifts to someone, especially if you're giving like a few little things or just want to make your gift cute. So I've seen like big baskets at like Michael's and they are kind of simple designs and they're normally like $20. I know for like Black Friday they'll like have them on sale for like 50% off, so like $10, but I feel like it's a lot for a basket. I don't know, that's just my opinion. So today I thought it'd be fun just to show you guys how I decorate this Christmas basket like for gift giving. I think they sell baskets like these at Michael's. Honestly, I don't know how much you sell them for, but you can honestly find like any type of basket. Doesn't even have to look like the one that I have here. Just to like make it a fun decoration, make it your own. It's obviously so much cheaper, but also fun to do because you have an activity to do. So this basket I actually didn't buy. I go apple picking with my family every year and we get like a basket of apples. So this is the basket from the apple orchard and it was literally just in our closet. And I had been looking for a big basket for a Christmas gift and it was in my closet the whole time. So I was literally about to spend like $10+ on a basket that I wasn't in love with. So I was like, I might as well do it by myself. And to be 100% honest, I honestly don't have a plan in my head of how I want to decorate it. Here are the things I have so far. Let me just go over all the materials I have right now. So I have red paint. I got this paint at Dollar Tree. I got everything at Dollar Tree now I think about it. So everything was $1. And even if it ends up being the equivalent of like buying a basket, you can just do it yourself. Isn't it so much more fun? And doesn't it mean so much more? So whatever. I got this red paint. I got these little balls. I got this. These bells, I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not. I might use it for like an ugly Christmas sweater. Don't know, but I got those. I have this like ribbon, this tree perhaps, and some little bells. What I do know I want to do for sure is paint the basket red, and then from there I'll kind of just see what I want to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that first. And last thing before I start, because I know I keep talking, I obviously don't want to dirty my mom's pretty mandel, so I just put some tissue paper at the bottom and some paper because I also didn't want to take it off and dirty the actual table, and this can at least be washed. So that is that. Viste, mom, te estoy cuidando la mesa. But okay, I'm for real going to start painting now. Okay, so I painted all of the baskets pretty much. I'm gonna just use this little brush to go and paint where there's like little brown spots because I tried doing it with the paintbrush, but it was kind of hard and changing the way of the stroke. So I'm gonna just go in with this and probably do another coat, but that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna paint it all red. I'm leaving this brown since I'm going to put ribbon, and I don't know, maybe I want to make it a different color. Since I don't have vision, I'm not sure. So I just decided to do that red for now. Okay everyone, so I went in and filled in the rest of the paint. It's pretty much dry. You see how it's lighter now, and I'm a little impatient, so I'm just gonna start decorating the rest, to be honest, and then if I want to coat more I will, but I don't mind it either way. It's gonna look kind of like woody. It's wood, so it's not like it's gonna look like super red. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I was trying out the tree. I might use it. We'll see. But what I know for sure is that I want to do this ribbon around the top. So I'm just gonna start doing that while the rest of the bottom dries, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna put there. I have my handy dandy glue gun, but the plug doesn't go all the way, so I'm gonna have to move the stuff over here. This says it's 6 feet, so I hope it's enough, at least for the top. which I'm not really surprised about, but it still looks cute. I was planning to do the bottom also this to make it like match, just make it longer, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to match it perfectly. I'm gonna try and see how it looks. Maybe I'll just do another color under, but I really like how it looks. I don't know. I'm just gonna do the bottom then. Okay, so I did the ribbon all around. I don't know what to do now. I'm not sure if I should just paint this red or another color. I have silver, I have black, maybe green. I kind of like the idea of putting the tree. Or should I just like paint this? Or should I put ribbon here too? I'm gonna ask my sister. Yuri! Okay, so I'm gonna paint all of this red and I'll be back. Okay, I painted this red, so while I wait for that to dry, I'm going to put this Christmas tree. So I'm gonna just stick this star onto the tree and then just use these little balls things as like the little ornaments. And I think that's what I'm gonna do while that dries. So that sounds like a plan, and then I'll just stick it in the middle. I didn't wait for this to dry because I'm impatient, but it's okay. I grabbed the Christmas tree and I just pasted the star that I had from these wooden things, and then the little fuzzy ball things to make it look like ornaments. And since it has like little things you could cut out, you just push them out. It looks like the red on the back is like the design. I don't know. So that is it. I don't think I'm going to add the bells because I think it looks nice like this. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. So this is my Christmas basket. So if we're trying to talk saving money, well, technically this basket was free for me, but I'm pretty sure you can find a basket like really cheap. This was $1, the paint was $1, all this stuff was $1. So technically, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was like $5 worth of materials for the basket. So that's not bad compared to like paying 10 plus for a basket. And you get to do something fun, like I've been saying. And it was really nice and relaxing to do, you know, some arts and crafts. So that is it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can do so if you'd like, and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like it. And like I've been saying, if you have any suggestions for Vlogmas, time is going by really fast, but you can comment it down below. But that is it for my video today. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.